Sun Tzu. Chaos yields opportunity. This pot yields dinner. Gather troops. Chicken. Fungus. Goji. No deserters. Soak fungus. Slice chicken at 90 degrees. Precision is key. Fungus. Blanch for 30 seconds. Steam retreats. Troops survive. Layer chicken, fungus, goji, dates, ginger. Pour seasoned broth like a siege river. Ensure broth covers every battalion shop. Lift lid. Breathe. Don't get lost. Scoop, drizzle, serve. Mission accomplished. Good. Salute the steam pot. Recruit. Execute the dish.